Solutions must be mixed or diluted exactly in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications or the client's standard operating procedures. Failure to properly prepare the cleaning or disinfecting agents is a critical mistake and may lead to room contamination. Start filling the bucket, both clean and dirty sides of the bucket system, with the process-grade water. This is usually reverse osmosis water, deionized water, or water for injection, WFI. Check the chemical's expiration date and lot number. If the chemical is expired, do not use it. Call your supervisor. Pour the chemical into your measuring device, a measuring cup or preferably a graduated cylinder. Pour the properly measured solution into the clean side of the bucket system. Repeat and pour into the dirty side of the bucket system. Mix the chemical and water with the mop. Rinse the measuring device with the process-grade water and store it in its appropriate location.